Hello everybody, my name is Maximilian, welcome back in another video. This time I would like to show you how you can submit your parcels on Hoobuy. So Christmas is right behind the corner and Hoobuy has some nice offers for you where you can get some amazing items for a very attractive price. Let me show you real quick now how to submit the international package. So the Christmas sale works like this. Here's a list of items each and every day you can get for literally 10 cents and there are loads of the items. As you can see, you can buy yourself some nice beautiful things. In order now to submit your package, head over to your profile and warehouse, and now here are all the items that are in a warehouse. You can see all the quality pictures and how it all looks like. You've got yourself some nice pictures with the box and the shoes and all the items you ordered. And yeah, I ordered these two pairs of Timberlands. This is how they all look like. They all look nice. And here is also my hoodie that I ordered. It all looks nice. The Hoobuy offers you very high quality PC photos. You also get the measurements of the items, so this is just great. And as for the Christmas sale, I also bought this, which is also the gray hoodie. Now to submit the package, all you've got to do is just click on the select all button here. So let's click on this and let's set the destination to my country. Simply choose your country and here are all the available options. If you are from Europe, simply use the DHL and the InPost ones. These are the fastest ones and they do cost less than the other ones, and also they are tax-free, so I highly recommend you guys using these options. So let's get this one and let's click on submit, and as you can see, it all comes down to the $101 for the package. And we have 5.2 kilograms. Now here are some more options. You can remove the tags, remove the express packaging, remove the original packaging, vacuum bag. If you have like a puffer jacket, I recommend you guys to vacuum the bag. If you want to save some space and you have loads of packages, just simply remove the original packaging to save some space. Here are also loads of different options. You can add the free shoe trees, bubble wrap or moisture bag, stretch film, edge reinforcement, corner protection, and parcel reinforcement. So that's just great. Here once again you get to choose your line. I will choose the InPost line, which is the Polish line that's very fast and reliable. The insurance is 3% depending on the cost fee. So in this case it's $5.35. And here you can always just use your coupon codes if you have some, and now let's just submit the package. Now here we also have to system declare the value of the products. For 1 kilogram there's also the 12.5 USD of declaration. So I have 5 kilograms, so that will be like 60. The value will be 60 US dollars, and now we can submit the package. And now let's just simply click on submit the parcel. Confirm that everything is okay, click on it's correct, and let's click on it, submit. And now you have to pay for your parcel. And as you can see, there's loads of different options. You can either use the credit card once again using the different options. And the handling fee is 4.5% plus 55 cents. There's also the Apple Pay, Google Pay, Alipay, Ideal, Sofort, Set Public, and many other ones. Once done, once paid, your parcel will go through the process of packaging, and then you get the tracking option and you will be basically done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, just simply ask me and I will answer you for sure. Take a look at the links down in the description and sign up to Hoobuy and claim yourself some nice offers. Thanks a lot for watching this